Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Gree air conditioning unit. Alright, so we all know that summers are hot and sometimes unbearable, but if you have an air conditioning unit, you should be able to use it without any errors and problems with it. So if you're trying to reset your Gree air conditioning unit so that it can function properly, this is the guide that you need. It's simple, it's straightforward. So the first thing we need to do is locate the reset button. You can find it on the remote control of your Gree air conditioning unit. It's typically a small pinhole that requires a pointed object to press. You can use a pin or even one of those SIM ejector tools that you get with your mobile device. You need to hold it in, and this will take 3 to 5 seconds, and then you should notice a response from the unit. If your remote has a Wi-Fi button, press and hold it until you hear a beep to specifically reset the Wi-Fi module. Having a look at some of their troubleshooting tips and pointers here, make sure that you always turn off the AC unit before performing any reset procedures to avoid any electrical issues. After completing the reset, power the unit back on and verify if the problem has been resolved. Remember that while you're resetting it, it can reset or clear minor glitches, but it won't fix any hardware faults, of course. Then make sure, so you don't get these errors again, that you are maintaining the unit. So clean or replace air filters regularly to prevent any airflow issues that could commonly cause error codes. And then also for persistent errors or unusual noises after your reset, which may indicate that it's not just a software issue, you should contact a qualified HVAC technician.